Hello crafty friends. I have a little project to share with you. So I really enjoy gardening. I'm such a agriculture science nerd. So I designed myself a gardening journal that I keep up with the watering, the different minerals, the organic compounds and things that I add to my different gardens and soils and trees and things. So I know what to change, I know what works, I know what doesn't work, I know what I need to change next year. So I made myself this one. I just bought the little, I kept it simple because I do carry it outside a lot. As you can see, it's already kind of dirty. I do carry it outside a lot, so I kept it simple with the cover. I would like to have done a cloth cover, but I don't know, maybe in the future. And I did the little spiral on the side. I got this pack. This was from this one that I hauled from Hobby Lobby a while back. And it has a lot of cute, it has a lot of cute, really cute little stickers in there. I definitely want to do that one for a chicken journal. So I thought this was really cute to use for journal covers. And like I said, I used my cinch machine, which I love because I love notebooks for everything. It just helps to keep me really organized. So I use it very often, and I used it to spiral it and cut the holes through everything. And inside, I just did a basic pink on the inside, and I did some different calendars that go throughout the year that I know what days I haven't watered, what days I've watered, and what days things were rain watered. And I also did some notes in here that I could add. Again, my fertilizer, when I add eggshells, calcium to my soil, to things like tomatoes, if they need calcium, if I'm seeing a problem with the fruit from them, or different things that I add, or I have a little line here for when I add coffee to help my berry and my raspberries, blueberries, all the berries that like their acidic soil. So I keep note of all of that. I keep note of the basic chemistry of different plants and things that they need on different pages. And then I have just some blank pages, and I also draw out my different gardens throughout my notebook, so that way when I'm doing seed planting, I know exactly what I planted, because I know that I won't remember. I really struggle with my memory, so I know that I won't remember if it's from a seed, what it was exactly that I planted there that is sprouting up. So I draw out all of my different little gardens, so that way I know exactly what is coming up and how to care for that plant. And then my mother enjoys gardening, so I'm gonna give her one as well. I'm gonna give it to her tomorrow on Easter. And she's excited because she wants to exchange notes with me, she said. So it'll be a fun way for her to be able to keep up with how she's caring for her plants. And I've been waiting to do this video before I transfer a bunch of material that's on a bunch of scratch sheets and another journal into here. So I'm excited to get to utilize this. And if you like to garden, this is such a fun idea, and you can add whatever you want to it. Just go into Microsoft Word and create whatever sheets that you want to keep up with your gardening. And I hope that you're all having a super sweet and sunny day. Bye-bye.